I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. I knew you were right. We're living for so long. I'm all out of love. Never ever without you. I can't be too late. Say that it was so right. What are you thinking of? Dang, dang. What are you thinking of? What are you thinking of? What are you thinking of? Welcome to the Philippines. So we are entering the toll gate bound to north or northbound. And then the barrier is going down and going up. Okay, let's go. Ang dami nila pinatigil, oh. Wala siguro yung mga RFID. Kailangan talaga i-check natin yung RFID natin, guys. I-check natin pag out. Tingnan natin yung balance. Tapos sabihin natin sa kumpanya natin kung low balance na tayo. Sa amin 36 pa to, 36,000. 36,000. Dito lang tayo. What's up? What's up? 2 hours. Oh, yeah. Text na yung babaeng mahal ko. Char. Char. Grabe, ang kati ng katawan ko. Ang kati ng tingnan mo yung mga sasakyan na yan. Double, solid, yellow, line. Ganun yung ginagawa nila. Yung dump truck, kung hindi ko yung binusinahan. Ganun din yung ginawa eh. Baka nauna ko siya. Yan, tingnan mo. Itong naka H100. Kala ko okay na sana. Nag-bigok na ako eh. Dami nila pero wala man tayo nakikitang matino. Mag-in tayo sa 10 minutes kasi mainit. Nainitan yung cellphone natin.